Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about how to write a quarter to date calculation in Tableau. So basically there are four quarters per year. January, February and March comes under quarter 1, April, May and June comes under quarter 2, July, August and September comes under quarter 3 and October, November and December comes under quarter 4. Okay, so quarter to date is the period that starts at the beginning of the current quarter and ends at the current date. For example, today is 13th June 2022. So June comes under a second quarter. So this June comes under second quarter, and starting of this quarter is April 1st. So this is second quarter and it will start from April 1st. Okay. So then QTD calculation returns the sales from 1st April 2022 to till date. It means 13th June 2022, which is today date. Okay, so this is the QTD calculation that we are going to write in Tableau to get the sales from April 1st to till date. Okay, so I will create a calculated field and I will name it as QTD calculation. And I will write the calculation as date diff. So date part is quarter, comma order date, comma today. So when it is equals to 0, this date different function will compute the difference of quarter of these two dates, order date and today date. So when the difference between this order date and today date is equals to 0, then it will return the sales for the entire current quarter, that is second quarter. So I will keep this QTD calculation in filters and I will select this true, and I will keep order date in row shelf and sales in text. So this is the sales for entire current quarter. Click on this drop down and select exact date and select discrete. So this quarter is starting from April 1st 2022. The end is June 30 2022. So but I want this quarter sales to till today only. So I will edit this calculation as so I will use a AND operator and I will edit this as order date is less than or equals to today date, today function. So it will take the system date, then click on OK. So this part will limit the sales to today date. Okay, so now you can see the sales from till today only, which is 13th June 2022 from 1st April 2022. So this is how to write this QTD calculation in Tableau. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.